I can do at this point is take the tag, take the VIN, report both of them as stolen. So if they did flip the tag, it'll show. But I'll list it as stolen, and you'll be contacted if we can find it.
The following day, Precinct 1 officers were alerted of a flock hit of a stolen auto at George Busby near Frey Road. Sergeant Skur was the first officer on scene when, upon seeing his vehicle, 3 suspects fled the scene on foot, leading to a foot pursuit through the apartment complex.
1315, 1080 on foot. We got 2 black males running, one window right hoodie. Hey, I got him down here. I got him down here. Put up your hands right now. Turn around. 1315, I got him.
Roll over on your stomach. Roll over on your stomach.
Get on your stomach now. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Behind my back. I can't understand you, sir. I can't understand you, sir.
What gun did you throw? Where'd you throw the gun?
Look at me. Hey, you need to start talking. Do you hear me? You need to start talking. I know you got tased. I've been tased too. All right? So start getting together and start talking. Do you have anything else on you? There's a gun right there.
I think he threw a gun too in the woods back there, Sarge.
Yeah, he's the one that was right by the car, the Mustang.
The victim's BMW that was stolen from the mall was recovered, as well as another stolen Mustang. The third suspect that was still outstanding was apprehended about 25 minutes later thanks to the help of Kennesaw Police.